Hello there, Professor Painted is back. More science today. First of all, you're welcome. Second of all, washing machine. Washing machine broke. What else are we going to do? We're going to shoot it. Wide variety. 2 rifles, 2 pistols, and 2 crossbows. It would be better, I think, to have the washing machine all the way up there. It would just be cooler. Make more sense. It's not having it right in my face. But 2 problems. 1, I'm fat and I don't want to keep walking all the way up there to look at the results. And 2, it's raining quite a bit. I didn't build this magnificent shooting hut to get wet. We'll start off the 6-layer blowback, 177 pistol, cheap dome pellets, cheap wasp pellets. Obviously I'm not expecting much. Start with the weakest build up. And the only problem is being this close. Got to make sure I don't hit the cameras. Yeah, as a washing machine, we're going to aim about here. There's the cameras. Dangerous. One a bother off a friend, the other one was a brand new Christmas present. So I'm living dangerously. 8 shots in this one. Time to meet your maker. Oh. Safety. Time to meet your maker. Oh, nothing there. Feel a few little scratches, nothing there. Okie dokie then. Snow Peak SP500. We all know this is powerful. We're going to do a couple of shots with this one. I'm going to use the same wasp pellet I've just used there, see if there's a difference. Then we'll move on. Aim right above them ones so I can see the difference. Oh, look at shit right back. Oh, it's definitely just little chips, them ones, but that one isn't. That one is an actual dent. Man, that pistol is powerful. That is powerful. Armor piercing. Only got about 15 or 20 of these left. So we are very, not very anything, we are very cautious when to use them. Alright, we'll aim just to the left of that last shot. Doesn't look like it did much. Nah. The very centre of it, you can feel a dent. You can feel the points made a small dent, but no, not as good. Also, I apologise. This is a very strange video. But what else are you going to do on the break? Just get rid of them. Okay, pistols. Done. Next, my favourite thing in the world. Almost. Numex 850. This is also 177, so we're going to go for the wasps again. 8-round magazine. Now the reason we're doing this, my girlfriend was using the washer. She tried to open the door, the handle snapped. So that's it. I mean, if you can't have the door working, the washer's broke, right? So I'm telling her she owes me a new washer. But her argument is, I was given the washer for free about 7 years ago from I think the old lady, I think she went to a home or something, I'm not sure, but if you look somewhere here, you can see there's still instructions on there. I never took them off. And it's actually a Philips Whirlpool washer. If you're in the UK, we all know Whirlpool and we all know Philips. I never knew they were a company once upon a time. Apparently that company stopped being a thing in 1988. So this washer is at least 36 years old. That's her argument. Wear and tear. My argument, she's over 36 years old and she hasn't collapsed. She owes me a new washer, but you won't have it. Anyway, enough that crap. We're going to pummel all 8 rounds into it. In fact, no. We're going to do 1. Ooh, big dent. Big dent, nothing amazing. Let's do 7 shots in the same place. That's a big boy dent. Oh, it's not going anywhere, is it? Sounds pretty good though. Wonder if I could take the side panel off and it would sound that good. Down there somewhere. Obviously I can't have this big washer just down there, that looks stupid. Oh well. That's 3 down, 3 to go. 2-2 brake power. Gamma red fire. I'm expecting this to be the boy. Do 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 do. Street. Do 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 do. Nah, nothing. Bit of a dent. Pretty much the same as the Unrex 177 did. Well, if you're being chased by killer washing machines, airguns ain't gonna save you. Let's move it up to the pistol crossbow. Do 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 do. Oh, same as anything else. Well, that's obviously more. Apart from the first pistol, they're all the same. Oh, that failed. Another bolt wound. Last one. And by far, my most lethal item I have. For now. And yes, I do have some board heads for this. And some board heads for me recurve bow that Robert left me. But I've only got 3 of each. I'm not using them. Hang on a minute. You know what? I'm not feel confident here. The way that last one, this is really powerful. 1 second. Nothing's getting through here. We know this. Ooh, that is a complete hole. I think that would have been lethal. In the name of science, and not knowing what's going to ever happen in the future. You're welcome. If you're being chased by an army of washing machines, airguns are no good. Pistol crossbows, no good. You need at least £90 throw weight real crossbow. I may have just saved your life.